9th क्लास की है, गवर्नमेंट गर्ल्स MC हाई स्कूल विहाड़ी, हिबा अवान।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most compassionate and the most merciful. Honorable Chief Guest, respectable Principal, respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. As you know, today we are celebrating with zeal and zest one of the remarkable day in the history of Pakistan. Yes, I am talking about Yom-e-Takbir. It was the day of strength. It was the day of serenity to accept the challenges for ensuring protection. Above all this, it was the day to meet clans with clans. It was May 28, 1998, when Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, under the leadership our ambitious scientists started Pakistan nuclear power successfully. That was the moment of victory. The location was Chagi Hills, Balochistan, where one after one nuclear bombs blasted underground, and every Pakistani felt proud to be the world's 7th atomic power and Islamic world first atomic power, and every Pakistani was reciting Allahu Akbar with great excitement. ना गर्दन झुकाकर जिए, ना मुंह छुपाकर जिए, ना गर्दन झुकाकर जिए, ना मुंह छुपाकर जिए, सितमगर की नजरों से नजरें मिलाकर जिए। इसमें हैरत ही क्या है 2 दिन कम जिए, इसमें हैरत ही क्या है 2 दिन कम जिए, हम उनके साथ जिए जो शम्मा जलाकर जिए। My dear audience, it's a great blessing for every Pakistani that due to this power, no nation can think of harming us. I am feeling highly blessed to tell you that Pakistan have its own 170 atomic warheads. After the recent evidence of the Operation Bunyanul Marsus, the entire world has seen our insight, bravery, skill, especially of Pakistan Air Force. I am thankful to Allah Almighty for this undefeatable technology. I pay my tribute to Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan to brought the attention of the people of his region to this critical issue. Once the Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah said, there is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan. And time has proven, really, no power could undo Pakistan even with the latest equipments. Let's celebrate this day with the feeling of dignity and enthusiasm. Let's contribute fostering the strength of our beloved country. Let's all say Allahu Akbar. May Allah Kareem protect our country from all the evil eyes. Ameen. हम तो मिट जाएंगे अर्ज़े वतन लेकिन, हम तो मिट जाएंगे अर्ज़े वतन लेकिन, तुमको जिंदा रहना है क़यामत की सहर होने तक। मिलेगी मंजिले मकसूद हम ये ईमान रखते हैं, मिलेगी मंजिले मकसूद हम ये ईमान रखते हैं, हम अपनी रहनुमाई के लिए कुरान रखते हैं। वफादारी वतन से हो यही कुरान कहता है, हम अपने दिल के हर गोशे में पाकिस्तान रखते हैं। Thank you, respected audience.